Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again to localize the OTG. Let's tap on it and simply tap on the switcher. And from now on this option is active, so you can freely choose it. Use it, not choose it. If you want to turn it off, you've got two different ways to do that. You can do it manually, of course, just by tapping on the switcher, or you can simply wait 10 minutes, because as you can see, after 10 minutes of inactivity, your device will automatically turn off this option, so it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.